Hey everybody, Mrs. Rainey here. I'm going to do a tutorial and I'm going to show you guys how to do 1-point perspective. We're going to draw some boxes and we're going to learn about the horizon line, the vanishing point, and how to draw in 1-point perspective. We're going to start with some boxes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a horizon line. A horizon line is basically just a straight line. You can use a straight edge, anything straight, a ruler, a straight edge, to make your horizon line. And that is where the land meets the sky or the sea meets the sky. So like if you're at the beach and you're looking out across the ocean and it looks like the water and the sky meet, would be your horizon line. On your horizon line, you're going to pick one vanishing point. This is one place where all the lines are going to converge at. So now we're going to draw 3 squares. Actually, I think I'm just going to do 2 squares. Above the horizon line, I'm going to draw 2 squares on the horizon line. And then I'm going to draw 2 squares below the horizon line. When you are above the horizon line, you're going to see the bottom of your squares when you go to turn them into boxes. We're turning these into 3-dimensional boxes by using our straight edge and connecting every corner that we can to the vanishing point. We're going to draw super lightly so we can go back and erase those later on. But you're going to be able to see the bottom side of your boxes as you do this. Then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do this one that's on the vanishing or on the horizon line. Again, all of your lines are going to go back towards this one single vanishing point. Okay, so now let's do this one below. This is an exercise that you guys should be doing in class, so this should help you with it. And I'll be able to check all of your work by going through and using a straight edge to make sure that all of your lines are connecting where they need to be connecting. So I'm going to leave this side blank so you guys can go ahead and do this side over here. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me or just let me know in class. Thanks a lot.